welcome to the second part of the series where we are seeing most expected questions in the upcoming board examination. Today we will be taking the topic quadratic equation and we will be seeing what type of questions can be asked for 1 mark in section A and B of main question number 1. Let's take the main question number 1 about identifying whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Before identifying whether the given equation is quadratic or not, let's have a look on the general formula of quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. Since the highest degree of this given equation is 2, that's the reason this equation is called as quadratic, and the numbers which are standing with the variable x are called as their coefficient, where the numbers a, b, c are our real numbers, and in this condition a cannot be 0. If a becomes 0, then the given equation does not remain quadratic. So hence the coefficient of the x square can never be 0 in such conditions. So I hope you have understood the general form of the quadratic equation. On the basis of this, we'll take the questions. So the very first question which I have asked is phi upon x minus 3 is equals to x square. So to first solve this equation, I'll again write the general form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will make all the given questions in this form, so has to identify whether it is quadratic or not. So to make this equation in this form, I'll multiply the whole equation by x to remove the x from the denominator. So multiplying the whole equation, that is each term of this equation, phi upon x multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by x equals to x square multiplied by x. So what is the reason behind multiplying this whole equation by x? To remove the x from the denominator. So by this it becomes 5, x cancelled, minus 3x equals to x square multiplied by x. Rule of indices, when the base is same, operation is of multiplication, power add. So यहाँ power x का 2 है, यहाँ 1 है, add होके power बन जाता है 3 का. So now you can check this polynomial has the highest degree of 2, now of 3. Now since this given polynomial has the highest degree of 3, it is not a quadratic equation. So this very first question given to us is not a quadratic equation. Let's take the second one. Question number B. In question number B, we have to just multiply the monomial with the binomial x plus 5. So multiplying x by x gives us x square. Multiplying x by plus 5 gives us plus 5x. And bringing this 2 from right to left, make it minus 2 equals to 0. Now let's compare this equation. This equation is of one variable. Yes, it has only the variable x in it. And the highest degree of this equation is of 2. Now since the equation is of one variable, the highest degree is of 2. It's a polynomial. Hence we can call equation x multiplied by x plus 5 equals to 2 is an quadratic equation. Let's take the question number C. In question number C, there is no much simplification in the question, and you can see the like terms n and 2n can be taken together and they have the power of 1. Now since the highest degree of this polynomial is of 1, that means the value of the variable x square, the value of the coefficient with x square is of 0. So we have seen that कि x square के साथ जो नंबर खड़ा है वो 0 नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ पे वो x square वाला टर्म ही नहीं है, n square वाला टर्म ही नहीं है, इसका मतलब उसकी वैल्यू 0 है. Hence this equation cannot be a quadratic equation. Still I will simplify this and I'll show you. So dragging 2n को इधर लेके आता हूँ n के पास, तो मुझे मिलेगा n minus 2n minus 1 equals to 0. minus 2n में से n गया तो मुझे मिला minus n minus 1 equals to 0. अब इस इक्वेशन को आप अगर देखोगे तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर वाला पावर मिसिंग है. स्क्वायर वाला पावर मिसिंग है मतलब स्क्वायर वाले पावर के साथ कोएफिशिएंट 0 है और स्क्वायर वाले पावर के साथ कोएफिशिएंट 0 नहीं हो सकता. हेंस ये इक्वेशन क्वाड्रेटिक नहीं है. लेट्स टेक द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन, क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर डी में वी हैव 9y² प्लस 5y। 9y² प्लस 5y में जो सेकंड प्लेस है 1 के पावर की y की वो मिसिंग है, तो मैं इसको कैसे लिख सकता हूं? आई कैन राइट दिस एज 9y² प्लस 0y प्लस 5 इक्वल्स टू 0, राइट। अब ये इक्वेशन दिख रहा है क्वाड्रेटिक जैसा, इसका जो वेरिएबल है y² 2 की पावर वाला, उसके साथ कोएफिशिएंट है 0 नहीं है। y के साथ जो कोएफिशिएंट है वो 0 हो तो चलेगा, कांस्टेंट भी 0 हो तो चलेगा, लेकिन y² के साथ जो नंबर है वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए। तो सिंस इस दिए गए इक्वेशन के अंदर हाईएस्ट डिग्री 2 की है, सारे वेरिएबल्स हमारे पास जो है, सारे कोएफिशिएंट जो हमारे पास है वो रियल नंबर्स हैं, हेंस वी कैन कॉल दिस इक्वेशन आल्सो एज एन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। तो ये भी इक्वेशन हमारा क्वाड्रेटिक है सिंस इसकी हाईएस्ट डिग्री 2 की है, और कंपेयर करके हम देख रहे हैं हमारे जनरल फॉर्म के साथ।